Okay, so which of these drills should we look at today? Well, we could start with this one, which is a Hitachi drill driver. I think it's 9.6 volts, and it was given to me by Hitachi in 1989, and it's still going strong. But I think today I'm going to look at the Evolution drill driver that's part of their 18 volt EXT cordless range. Now this is a great drill. What to say about it? It's quite heavy, which is why I'm using only a 2 amp hour battery, and that's perfectly adequate for a lot of tasks. I think the robust build quality and heavy weight helps when you're particularly using hammer action, because you need a strong drill for that. I like the steel chuck. It's 13 millimeter chuck, and it's knurled metal. Now that actually is better than the plastic coated chucks, which can chafe in a closed confined area when you're drilling. Well look, it's got all the usual specs like 20 torque settings, 2-speed gears, reverse, LED light. I mean, all this comes as standard. It's a great drill, and it's good to have at hand a load of different drills for different tasks. Thanks for watching. I nearly forgot to say that please watch my other short videos on the range of cordless 18 volt power tools by Evolution, who incidentally are the second prize sponsor for the 2024 Alan Peters Furniture Award, which will be an online event, and it's open to any resident citizen of the British Isles. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already.